Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Airplay on Samsung TV. Let's go. Step 1. Open Settings. Select General, Network, open Network Status. Your Apple device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Step 2. Open Airplay settings and turn on Airplay. Connect your Apple device to Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Click on the Airplay icon. Select your Samsung TV. Enter Airplay code, it will be displayed on the TV. Or open screen mirroring. Select your Samsung TV. Now you can stream music, videos and screen from your device. That's it. Now you know how to use Airplay on Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.